If you love fast cars, if big loud pipes and burnouts get your blood pumping, if seeing some of the baddest custom cars and trucks in the nation all in one spot pushes your hot buttons, then make sure you come out to the YouTuber Speed Fest Saturday, July 21st at the US 41 Motorplex in Morocco, Indiana. YouTubers and racers meet from all over the nation to bring you the ultimate track day, and you're included with street cars, race cars, burnout contests, rev battle, big wheel racing, and a custom car show-off area along with RC car racing. Book your rooms now for the Holiday Inn Express and Suites, 1773 Fountain Park Drive, Schererville, Indiana. Telephone number 219-865-3301. For more info about the YouTuber Speed Fest, call 773-392-6273. See you there. What up, squad? Welcome to another episode of Muscle Cars and More. Now, I gotta keep this intro brief because you hear the music in the background. That's right, man. I'm at a car show and I'm about to show y'all some dope rides here. Definitely going down in the shot, man. The summer car show season is officially started, so let's go on Muscle Cars and More. Your boy Stuntin Reese. Let's get it. What up, man? We here with my man with the green cat pack. You already know, man. Check it out, man. What's your name, bro?
My name's Juan.
Juan, okay.
Yeah, from Aurora.
Okay. So what all have you done to your car, man?
So we just did more of the exterior. So we got kind of a gold dust painted on the rims to kind of accent the FA green that's already stock on the car. And then I was able to get some wrap on this right here. I was able to make it camo. I was in the military, so that's kind of where my theme came through. So I went all the way to the front, all the way to the back, so it's nice and cool. And then really, the only other thing that I really done to it is added a splitter, the stuff in the back so we can some better downforce.
What's some of the mods that you're thinking about doing to it?
So I want to add more like a splitter. You know, once my warranty's over, I want to put want to make it into a supercharged scat pack. You know, there's not really much out there.
Right.
So if you put a supercharge on it, you're gonna sneak up on people.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. So I got that Available technology for the oil catch can, and I got some stuff painted. The theme is Mad Ghost just because of the military people that I was with. That was their
the squadron name.
Right.
I got you, definitely, man. If anybody want to follow you on social media, what's the best way for them to follow you?
At mad_ghost_USMC. That's cool. You're able to follow me through.
Cool. All right, guys. So it's your boy Son of Reese, man, and very rarely do I come across vehicles that I don't know what they are, but today it has happened. That's right, man. What is it? I don't know, man. I don't know what it is, but I'm about to show it to you. It looks like some type of Volkswagen El Camino, but let's check it out. And I'm here with my boy Ryan, man. He got a sick ride out here, man. Tell us about your ride real quick.
All right, so it's a 2017 Scat Pack Challenger with a shaker. It's all stock. The only thing I've done to it is mid-muffler delete.
Okay.
Yep. So it's gonna stay stock too.
So no mods.
No. I have a good buddy who has a 69 Super B, or a 68. I'm sorry, 68 Super B. Same color, same make, same model. So we're gonna keep it original.
Yeah.
You know. Beautiful.
It's hard to have a car like this and not touch it.
It's tough because especially when you get some modded Mustang, you know, beat you on the highway.
Yeah.
But yeah, maybe a couple things, maybe a tune.
Okay.
Maybe a tune.
Yeah, something you can always take back to stock.
Yeah, some headers.
Yeah.
So
see now.
Now you got me thinking.
Right. See, that's how it starts. Y'all see the guys over here, man. The squad in the building. Hellcat Jones,
Beast of Cast. Right now, we thinking about a master plan.
Oh my God.
We plotting on some shit.
5.0 Stain Gang.
What up, you?
Ace rolling. Y'all know how I do, man.
What up?
Y'all see Catfish out here, man.
Squad.
Make sure y'all follow him, man. Jeffrey Davis Sr. on YouTube, man. Hey, I just want to say thank you guys for rocking out with Stunner Reese, man, on muscle cars and more. Hey, I appreciate you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. We on our way to 10,000 subscribers. All right, with your help, we can do it. Let's get it. If you love fast cars, if big loud pipes and burnouts get your blood pumping, if seeing some of the baddest custom cars and trucks in the nation all in one spot pushes your hot buttons, then make sure you come out to the YouTuber Speed Fest Saturday, July 21st at the US 41 Motorplex in Morocco, Indiana. YouTubers and racers meet from all over the nation to bring you the ultimate track day, and you're included with street cars, race cars, burnout contests, rev battle, big wheel racing, and a custom car show-off area along with RC car racing. Book your rooms now for the Holiday Inn Express and Suites, 1773 Fountain Park Drive, Schererville, Indiana. Telephone number 219-865-3301. For more info about the YouTuber Speed Fest, call 773-392-6273. See you there.